This is where our list of the top 5 best electric kettles available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. The Chefman Electric Kettle. Boasting a 1.2-liter capacity and 1500 watts of power, is a highly efficient and versatile kitchen appliance. It is designed to quickly boil water for various hot beverages and instant meals, making it a convenient addition to any home, office, or dorm room. This kettle is equipped with a powerful 1500 W heating element that ensures rapid boiling, capable of heating water in just a few minutes. This feature is particularly useful for preparing tea, coffee, hot chocolate, and instant foods like oatmeal and ramen. Safety is a priority with the Chefman electric kettle. It includes an automatic shut-off function that activates once the water reaches boiling point, as well as boil-dry protection that prevents the kettle from operating without water. These features help prevent accidents and ensure safe operation during use. The kettle's user-friendly design includes an LED indicator light that signals when the water. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Temperature Control Electric Tea Kettle. A comprehensive review. The Hamilton Beach Temperature Control Electric Tea Kettle is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen appliance designed to meet the diverse needs of tea and coffee enthusiasts. With its combination of precise temperature control, sleek design, and practical features, this kettle stands out in a crowded market. Here, we explore what makes this product a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient electric kettle. Design and build. The Hamilton Beach Temperature Control Electric Tea Kettle boasts a sleek stainless steel exterior that not only looks modern but is also durable and easy to clean. The kettle has a 1.7-liter capacity, making it suitable for households of all sizes. Its clear water level window allows users to easily see how much water is inside, which is particularly useful for making just the right amount of hot water needed. Conclusion. The Hamilton Beach Temperature Control Electric Tea Kettle combines functionality, precision, and style, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Its variable temperature settings cater to a wide range of beverages, while user-friendly features like the digital display, keep warm function, and safety mechanisms enhance the overall experience. Number 3. The COSORI Electric Tea Kettle stands out as a beacon of quality and innovation. With its blend of sleek design, advanced features, and reliable performance, this kettle has garnered praise from tea enthusiasts, coffee aficionados, and busy homemakers alike. Let's delve into what makes the COSORI Electric Tea Kettle a standout choice for boiling water. Design and build. Crafted with premium stainless steel and accented with modern touches, the COSORI Electric Tea Kettle boasts an aesthetic that seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor. Its brushed finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also enhances durability, ensuring it withstands the rigors of daily use. The kettle features a generous 1.7-liter capacity, making it suitable for various tasks, from brewing multiple cups of tea to preparing instant soups or oatmeal. The clear water level window allows users to easily gauge the amount of water inside, preventing overfilling and spills. Rapid boiling and efficiency. Equipped with a robust 1500-watt heating element, the COSORI Electric Tea Kettle brings water to a rapid boil in a matter of minutes, saving precious time during hectic mornings or impromptu gatherings. Whether you're in need of a quick cup of tea or boiling water for cooking, this kettle delivers with efficiency and speed. Conclusion. COSORI Electric Tea Kettle excels in both form and function, making it a must-have appliance for any kitchen. Its sleek design, rapid boiling capabilities, and safety features. Number 2. Chefman Electric Kettle with Temperature Control. A boiling revelation in the realm of tea connoisseurs and coffee aficionados, precision is paramount. The Chefman electric kettle with temperature control stands as a beacon of innovation, offering not only the convenience of rapid boiling but also the ability to customize temperatures for the perfect brew. With its sleek design, advanced features, and user-friendly interface, this kettle has captured the hearts of beverage enthusiasts seeking the ultimate boiling experience. Let's delve into what makes the Chefman electric kettle a game-changer in the world of hot beverages. Design and craftsmanship. Crafted with premium materials and boasting a modern aesthetic, the Chefman electric kettle exudes elegance from every angle. Its borosilicate glass body not only adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen countertop, but also allows users to watch the water come to life as it heats up, adding a visual spectacle to the boiling process. The kettle's ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring easy handling and pouring. The 360-degree swivel base adds to its convenience, allowing for seamless lifting and returning from any angle. Safety features. Safety is paramount when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Chefman electric kettle prioritizes user protection with a range of safety features. The kettle is equipped with boil dry protection, which automatically shuts off the heating element when the water level is too low, preventing damage to the kettle and ensuring user safety. Additionally, the kettle features a stay cool handle and a secure locking lid, minimizing the risk of accidents during use. Conclusion. Chefman electric kettle with temperature control combines style, precision, and performance to offer an unparalleled boiling experience. Its sleek design, advanced features, and user-friendly interface make it a standout choice for tea lovers, coffee enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates the perfect cup. Number 1. COMFEE Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. Blending style and functionality. The electric kettle reigns supreme for its convenience, efficiency, and versatility. The COMFEE stainless steel electric kettle stands out as a shining example, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. With its sleek design, durable construction, and user-friendly features, this kettle has become a staple in households around the world. Let's explore what sets the COMFEE stainless steel electric kettle apart and why it's a must-have addition to any kitchen. Sleek design and durable construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the COMFEE electric kettle boasts a modern and elegant design that adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen countertop. Its sleek exterior not only looks stylish but also enhances durability, ensuring years of reliable performance. Rapid boiling and efficiency. Equipped with a powerful heating element, the COMFEE electric kettle rapidly brings water to a boil, saving time and energy. Whether you need hot water for your morning tea or instant noodles, this kettle delivers with efficiency and speed. Cordless design and 360-degree swivel base. The cordless design of the COMFEE electric kettle adds to its convenience, allowing for hassle-free pouring and serving. The 360-degree swivel base makes it easy to lift and return the kettle from any angle, catering to both right and left-handed users. Conclusion. COMFEE stainless steel electric. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.